If you know Brazil and if you follow this channel, you know Brazil is full of surprises. We have tremendous and delicious food. We have great people. We have outstanding nature. And I have the presence of my friend Alberto here.
Hi.
I have Alberto here to teach you guys how to prepare the famous caipirinha. Do you know what a caipirinha is? It's a delicious, spectacular Brazilian drink made of cachaça, the Brazilian brandy. Do you want to learn how to prepare? I have this guy, he's a master in drinks here in Brazil. He's gonna show you everything, so don't go anywhere, just after the intro. Guys, before we prepare everything here, to give you a little bit about the historical part of the caipirinha, the great Brad Zucca.
Oh, thanks, Mark. Thanks. Other guy. Okay, but before I give you the historical part of this delicious drink, I want to tell you guys that BU Store has an amazing promotion this month because it's the month of Black Friday. So access Brazil Unsubtitled on Instagram, the account that is right here, and choose one of these 3 designs. We have this about Rio, can you see? My other country is a paradise. It's an amazing t-shirt, guys. 100% cotton, really comfortable. It has the symbol of our store right here with me and Mark, right? Or you can choose, if you prefer, to show your passion for the Brazilian soccer. You can have this beautiful design. The details are amazing. Check it out. Okay, we have small, medium, large, and extra large. So if you fit one of these, or you want to ask for other sizes, don't forget to leave your message in the Instagram. Or you can have this, which is my face on a coxinha. Amazing. If I were you, I would definitely get this. So don't forget, we have an amazing discount for the month of Black Friday. Just access at brazil.unsubtitled on Instagram and order your t-shirt right now. Okay, back to the caipirinha. Caipirinha is a short form for caipira, which is a Portuguese word for hillbilly, or the people from the countryside areas. And that is because caipirinha is made with sugarcane liquor, a typical production from the countryside areas in São Paulo and in Brazil, of course. Caipirinha is recognized as part of the Brazilian cultural heritage, but its origin is not clear, unfortunately. For that reason, I will present 2 of the most famous origin stories found during our research. The first one says that the drink was created as a remedy to fight the 1918 Spanish flu in the small town of Piracicaba, the countryside of São Paulo. Paulo Vieira, a local farmer who had a few of his employees sick because of the Spanish flu, decided to mix lime, garlic, honey, and cachaça, that is, the sugarcane liquor, and make a drink for them to recover. One day, he decided to remove the garlic and honey and add sugar to sweeten the drink. The ice came later as a refreshment to the hot days. Now, the second version of the story says that the drink was indeed created in Piracicaba, but by farmers who wanted to create a local drink for big and important celebrations, something to pay tribute to the sugarcane plantation culture in the region. Even though its intent was to add some glamour to the drink, it soon became popular among all the residents due to its ingredients' low cost. It then became São Paulo's most famous drink in the 19th century. In the beginning of the 20th century, the drink could be found in other states of Brazil as well, especially Minas Gerais and Rio. Back to you, Mark, and go easy on this cachaça.
Guys, we're back. Thank you very much, Brad Zucca. Wonderful information for you guys. I always learn with this guy. Before we prepare everything here, I want to say that we also have an Instagram account, so if you don't follow us, go there You're gonna see making offs, you're gonna see pictures and information about this beautiful country of Brazil. You're gonna see how to acquire these beautiful t-shirts from BU store. Okay, if you wanna get one of them, just access this account that is right here. But let's go to what really matters, the topic of this video, the great caipirinha. So everybody loves caipirinha, especially the foreigners when they visit Brazil. And I have here one of my best friends to teach you guys how to prepare the delicious caipirinha. Alberto is going to speak Portuguese for you, right, Alberto?
Sim.
But I'm going to be translating what he says simultaneously. Not me right now, I'm gonna put some dubbing. So don't worry, you're gonna understand everything he says. Okay? Alberto, why caipirinha? Why is caipirinha so famous, so Brazilian? Why is it so special in your opinion?
I think it's because it's a very refreshing drink. It's a drink that we are used to preparing it, from the families inside the house to the bars. So besides, yeah, at the beaches. So I think our history, the history of the Brazilians, caipirinha has always been present, the best moments, the most fun moments.
Very good. Is it a very strong drink or it's okay? Because it goes cachaça, the Brazilian brandy, right?
Yeah, the cachaça, as any distilled drinks, can be very strong. But I believe the dosage is what is going to tell whether it's going to be strong or weak. And so it's your taste. But in general, it's medium. The medium is the pleasant thing. For you to feel a little of the cachaça, a little of the lime, a very sweet and refreshing drink.
Let's go, guys. So Alberto is going to start talking to us about the ingredients. Alberto, what is necessary for our subscriber to prepare caipirinha in their home?
So it's very simple and fast. A lime, a tablespoon sugar, ice cubes, and the main part, the cachaça. This distilled water we usually buy anywhere.
Brazilian. I think you can find this anywhere. If you have a Brazilian market close to you, just go there and get cachaça. You have a lot of different kinds of Brazilian cachaças here. There's no specific kind to prepare the caipirinha, right?
Well, I believe that caipirinha pleases people from all walks of life, from the most simple guy who buys in the supermarket or in a bar, or from a very fashionable person who buys in an expensive place. You can do with whatever of them.
Worry about the brand, right?
Yeah, it's a very democratic drink.
Typically Brazilian, typicamente Brazilian. Let's go, Alberto. Okay, so no more time wasting. Let's go straight to the preparation of the caipirinha. Alberto is going to show, and I have my camera here because I want to. Ok, deixa eu voltar essa parte aqui. Você volta que o começo é So I have my camera here. I'm going to show from another angle. Okay, guys. Vamos lá, Albertão. Mostra pra gente como que faz. Show us how to prepare, okay?
First of all, you cut the sides of the lime. The lime has a bitter white part inside, so we need to cut it open to remove this part. So I like to cut it straight ahead. So I remove this part and throw it away. I cut again. So when I remove this part, I avoid it to become bitter. So I cut in 4, in 2, 4, 6, and 8. You know that caipirinha is a very famous drink in my family. My aunts, they love caipirinha. So when they have those weekend lunches together, they keep preparing caipirinha, and you can imagine the way that the food comes out. No, I'm kidding. The food is delicious.
You said something really interesting, which is your aunts preparing and drinking the caipirinha with the Brazilian food on the weekends, on Sundays specifically. Do you have any suggestions about what kind of Brazilian dish could go with the caipirinha, or all kinds is acceptable?
For my family, it goes with all food, but in general, the feijoada is the best option for the caipirinha. So before you prepare feijoada, prepare your stomach with a nice caipirinha. It goes really well. Barbecue, lasagna, whatever you want is good.
Guys don't know what feijoada is, or you would like to see how to prepare, as I said in the beginning of the video, check this card out. We have made a wonderful video about the Brazilian feijoada. Okay, let's get back here. Vamos voltar ao Alberto. Esse não precisa mais, certo?
So we remove these things. And then the lime, I have cut in 8 parts, and the peel part goes to the turned down. So we're going to remove a little of the juice, and we're going to make it sweeter with sugar. But be careful. You don't have to be very intense in this. You have to be very careful, just to remove a little of the juice.
You can't be rough.
To make it delicious, you have to go gently.
Bem ambígua a frase do meu amigo.
So very
Very
gently,
ambiguous what he's saying.
go gently. Look how delicious it is. It's removing the juice. With the sugar, it's gonna be delicious. Very fast. Can you see how fast that is? And then the ice cubes. We have already prepared the ice cubes. And here, one dose 50 milliliters of cachaça. Look at that. Very well. So you also have to stir really, really calmly. You have to mix it up, the sugar, to give the taste in the cachaça, and it's gonna be beautiful. Our drink is ready, our cachaça all mixed up. Look how beautiful it is with the lemon and the ice. And now we have to taste it and have fun.
Agora a parte mais difícil, it's the hardest part to try. Can I?
Yeah.
Okay. My goodness, it's delicious. I'm gonna try again.
This is why my aunts love this. My family prepares caipirinha with all kinds of
This is the
celebrations.
standard one. This is the mother of all the other caipirinhas. And I'm saying that because nowadays we have lime caipirinha is this one, but we have strawberry caipirinha, we have passion fruit, we have kiwi. Do you still think this is the one, the mother of everything?
For me, it's the perfect combination. Lime, ice, and sugar. And it goes well with any occasion, mainly in the hot weather. In the hot days are great, and it pleases any kind of
So
taste.
guys, if you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up, to subscribe to the channel. Guys, it doesn't cost anything, just click on like, and the job is done, and you help strengthen this channel to produce more and more content for you guys. I think you know this is not my first job. I wear many different hats, but I want to do that for a living. Please help me. Just subscribe to my channel. Spread the word to the people that like Brazil and want to learn about this country. I'm here to teach. I'm here to help you. If I see that this video has been popular, Alberto is going to come back to prepare other drinks, other kind of caipirinhas. You want to see Alberto again? Please help us, okay? Now I'm going to try it again. Alberto, cadê a sua? Where is yours?
It's right here, of course. I wouldn't make one.
Toast.
I wouldn't forget to make one for me.
Unsubtitled. So to Brazil Unsubtitled. Cheers, guys. Alberto, in the bars and the Brazilian pubs, is this the presentation, or do you have any incrementation in the design of the glass and everything?
It's like that in general. Caipirinha comes in a smaller glass. It comes with a straw and a slice of lemon on the side. I'm gonna make it for you guys to see. So you cut a slice off. The presentation gets much better. You cut it and put it here on the side.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. I think you can see this.
I have cut a little bit here, but it looks really cool.
Amazing. Quer dizer, Alberto, tá pronto para servir.
It's ready to be served, and it's delicious.
Please, on my glass, corta um para mim também, vou deixar mais bonitinho para o pessoal ver. Então, vamos fazer um.
So I'm gonna make a beautiful one here.
It's not rocket science. Everybody can do that in their home. It's something simple. Look at that. If you want to put a Brazilian umbrella here or something, guarda-chuvinha brasileiro, you have your drink ready. Right?
So, in the bars, it comes with a different glass. The cachaça in the bars are more refined, more expensive. But in general, it goes in all kinds of glasses, all kinds of cachaça.
Saúde. Saúde. Saúde.
Cheers.
Em português é saúde, em português é saúde, okay? Cheers, guys.
And it got delicious, huh?
In the end of the video, we're going to have more videos for you to choose and stay with us a little more time. Thank you very much for this video. It's been a pleasure. Alberto, thank you very much for taking me up to the offer, and I hope to see him here more, so help us. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Casting on my promises, you know I'm too generous.